Welcome to our mini training video. My name is Sally. During this clip, we will go over Power over Ethernet tracking on switches. While in the Device List tab, click on the PoE sub-tab. This will show which switches can supply power, how much power they have, and how much power is being drawn. PoE allows you to watch the status and monitor the power usage for your PoE switches to make sure that you're not getting close to limitations of the switch. It also monitors the power draw for each port on the switch so that you can determine where high power drawing devices are connected to and quickly determine any power faults. If you see that a switch is having a significant amount of its power being drawn, for example the Barbera switch here showing 20 watts being drawn, you can click on that switch and see where the power is going. Then click on the PoE tab, and this will show you which interfaces have PoE power being provided and how much power is being provided. Being able to see this will help prevent you from being caught in a situation where you don't have enough power for moving phones around in your environment, as well as tracking unapproved usage of power, such as when a user plugs in a PoE-powered desk lamp. The PoE column shows you if power is turned on and available for that device or for that interface. The PoE PSU column shows the specific power supply unit that powers the interface. This number will either be a 1 or a 2. If the number in the PU column shows as a 1, it's a PoE device. If it shows a 2, it's a PoE plus device. The state column will show you if power is being delivered to that device or to that interface. The max draw column will show you the maximum wattage that can be drawn by that interface. Hovering over that number will show you a minimum to maximum range of power that interface can draw. The PoE class column will be a number from 0 to 4 depending on the class of PoE. Class 0 may be unclassified with a power range of 0.44 to 12.94 watts. Class 1 is very low power and is 0.44 to 3.84 watts. Class 2 is low power and is 3.84 to 6.49 watts. Class 3 is mid power and is 6.49 to 12.95 watts. And Class 4 is PoE plus Type 2 devices with wattage over 12.95. And finally, the priority column shows the power priority configured on ports enabled for PoE, which can be low, high, or critical. Switches invoke configured PoE priorities only when they cannot deliver power to all active PoE ports. Thank you for joining me during this session, and please visit us again for new videos.